Me I go talk a little bit about the Klansman and them dynamics and what really I go on with them, because me never really talk about them, but me know about them and me know some history. You understand? Cause you know Klansman are the biggest, one of the biggest if not the biggest gang in Jamaica, and them are PMP. You understand? And me know enough PMP people and them thing there. So yeah, I just saw it go. Now Tesha Miller is the most feared Klansman. All of them fear him. Every single one of them fear him. You understand? And for some reason, I like Tesha Miller. And from when I hear, Tesha is a little bit rough around the edges with the man them, and that cause the friction. You understand? Because you have man do things and I go jail and you know money for run and this and that and certain money not run. Now you know say Busshead are the same Busshead them from Mobile, the youth ya. Cause you have the Busshead gang from Mobile and them youth they are scammer. And Busshead start link with the Klansman cause him and Tesha was cool. You see me I say? From long time. And after Tesha go jail, Busshead kinda look out for the youth them and Tesha kinda bring upon that, because Busshead make sure the youth them have some money for lawyer, this, that, and you know say Busshead them a scammer from long time, cause like me say the same link from Montego Bay. So that cause a fiction there. With Blackman are the same thing I want when it comes to how the man them feel like, you know, Tesha. And like me say, me personally, me like Tesha. You understand? We just hope Tesha would have do things different and he would have still their road. Cause Tesha, nobody not perfect, dog. You understand? But Tesha one serious boy. Same thing going with Blackman. Cause Blackman do certain things, and when it comes to money for run and them thing there, it not run properly, and so comes Blackman them now break off too. You understand? Now you have Kickca, you have Termite. You have Spanish Town now split in two. Where them say De La Vega. So you have one side a Kickca them and Termite. And you know say Kickca did bust a case. You understand? And Sir P send you a big time interview. Kickca them now want to get mixed up with police. So over upon the Kickca and Termite side, you have enough business are put up on them things. So it seems like the business people them is comfortable with that side. Now Busshead and Tesha, this is how for them thing go. You see through Busshead now start look out for certain youth. Tesha not like that. So when that cause a fiction now, you know some man start dead. Now me I tell you something. You see Tesha Miller is one of the most how we could have put it, him have some loyal, when me say loyal soldier. So when Busshead start do certain things, Tesha not like that, and him soldier them a defend that. So as so comes now you have Busshead soldier them and Tesha youth them a beef. And anybody will say Tesha Miller over Busshead side, a straight gunshot them a get. For real. I just make you know the dynamics. And anybody over Tesha side say Busshead, you understand, a problem. Now, to be honest, since Tesha they are jail, he might lose a lot. I'm pull on lot of strength. Because that's why you have other man step in. Now Busshead, from when me hear, he want link with Termite them, but Termite them, and I say them no want deal with him, you know. Termite them man they can't afford to get in no trouble and make them name a call up certain way. You understand? And the man they are try deal with real legit business now, along with Kickca. You understand? So that the man they are programmed, so it seems like Termite them afraid to link up with Busshead them. Now remember, Busshead now come from Spanish Town, you know. And Moby him come from. Cause I the same link with the Busshead gang from Moby. You see what I'm saying? So I just make you know that. Busshead, are you me I talk to? I want to know, say the boy we name Kickca from out of the Dangles gang. Him and Dangles, them link with Tesha. So you see them two boy there, you see Kickca and Dangles Busshead. You have to watch them boy there. You understand? Cause you see Kickca them, they make Dangles wind them up in our things and them not even know what they're getting into. So Busshead, are you me I talk to? Cause I know say you have enough money, you know. And I know say you have enough burner and them thing there. Enough shoes. And I know say you and Tesha at a standstill. But me also I want Tesha about Dangles and Kickca. So the two man them we are war, me I want to know about Dangles and the Dangles gang, and me I want you about Kickca, cause Kickca say him is little Tesha Miller. So you see how him that a theme thing. So Busshead, I want you put them boy there on your radar. You understand? Cause them a talk enough things, and like I said, them a pre you, and that me have to say right there. So now Busshead, me hear say him now, him kinda link with Tesha uncle also. Cause you see, in that mix the dog appear problem and peer issue. Me I tell you now. You see Tesha is a man. You see from you not pick theme side. You no problem. So Tesha and him uncle did have a vibes. Go on dog. Me not even gonna talk about it in a detail, but me know the details with him uncle. Cause him uncle never agree to certain things. And that cause a vibe between him and him uncle. And when I say serious vibe, it cause all gunplay and enough things. You understand? So that's why now it seems like Busshead and Tesha uncle also a link. And I think him uncle named Richie. Me I jog on the memory for something. You see when Andrew them did come and mash up the whole heap of people them house over there so in a Spanish town, and a teacher girl did go to prison. A Tesha uncle and she did a deal with that, you know. So the people them, the landmen are where I don't feed them. So but just I show you how the family there is. You understand? Very serious. You see man there so man there so. But the dynamics we are going in at the spot. Obviously, if so much man I war and a stand up feet, that mean money must be there. And what them a do, them a make money. You see what I'm saying? You have Tesha Miller, Theme faction. You have the Blackman faction. You have the Termite and Thickman faction. And then you have the Busshead faction. So a 5 faction that, and in between there you probably have other spin-off, like if I'm not too lying, you have the Ratty Gang, might be a part of that settings, and I'm quite sure there's others. I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but it is a turbo system. And like when I talked to a man today, one of my brethren at Jamaica, I'ma say to him, I said, Jano, me don't know Tesha Miller, you know, but me like that you them. I say, yo, want me the man to make a money and come out of the business and you know go take care of him family and them thing there, and it's not a career, it's a mean to an end. You hear the man said to me, him say, listen countryman, you see in a them system there, anytime you join them kind of thing there, you see when you're cool now and you say, yo, you know deal with certain things, that's when certain man come for your car. Enough man where in your group I go feel like you abandon them, and maybe other Tesha try to get away, you see what I'm saying, in a funny way, and enough man thinks say, listen, him abandon them. So I just saw them thing they go, and like me explain to my brethren, that at any organization, whether you have a legit company, Sandals, Amazon, whatever, whether you have a gang, Bloods, Crip, Klansman, your job, you understand, everybody in your job as you as the manager is not gonna like you, and people might try to make you lose your job, this, that. So it's just a part of human nature. So I say that to say this, Tesha Miller should understand that, and maybe at that he might try understand why, you see, he might flex certain way. I don't know, just I give my perspective. But like my brethren say, when you're in a them system there, it's hard for you step away, cause the man them are gonna think you abandon them. Let me know what you think about this insight into the Klansman and the mix. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out. Peace.